Are your email campaigns hitting the mark or are they falling flat? Every email you send is a chance to connect with your audience, build relationships, and inspire action. But success isn't about pressing send, it's about creating a message that resonates and makes people want to engage. So, what makes a good email campaign? It starts with a clear goal. Ask yourself, what do you want the reader to do? Whether it's making a purchase, signing up, or simply clicking a link, every element of your email should guide them toward that action. The next step is your subject line. This is your first impression. Keep it short, compelling, and personal. A touch of urgency or curiosity can be powerful, but clarity always wins. A strong subject line increases your chances of getting that all important open. Once inside, your content has to deliver. Personalization makes a huge difference. Go beyond using a name. Send the right message at the right time based on interest or behavior. Keep the language simple, direct, and valuable. Short sentences, clear benefits, and easy to read layouts hold attention. Then comes the call to action, the heartbeat of your email. Make it bold, make it obvious, and make it irresistible. Words like sign up, shop now, or learn more tell readers exactly what to do next. Position your CTA where it can't be missed and test different styles to see what drives the most clicks. But a good email campaign doesn't stop at content. Design matters. With most people checking emails on their phones, mobile friendly layouts are non negotiable. Use a clean single column format, large fonts, fast loading images, and buttons big enough to tap. Consistency is another secret. Your branding, tone, and promises should stay uniform. Readers should instantly recognize your emails and trust your voice. If you promise weekly updates, deliver them. Reliability builds loyalty. Timing and frequency also play a role. Send too often and people tune out. Send too rarely and they forget you. Testing different days and times helps you discover when your audience is most active. And finally, test, measure, optimize. Run A/B tests with subject lines, visuals, or CTAs. Track open rates, click throughs, and conversions. Use the data to refine your strategy. Small tweaks like adjusting timing, changing a phrase, or redesigning a button can create big wins. In the end, a great email campaign combines clarity, creativity, and consistency. It's about sending the right message to the right person at the right time. Start with small improvements, keep testing, and you'll see your campaigns transform into powerful tools for growth. Because in email marketing, success doesn't come from sending more emails, it comes from sending better ones.